Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair rose 2.1% in the last session, after gaining as much as 2.9% during the session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The euro got a slight bump of 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The Aussie gained 0.8% against the dollar in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Volkswagen's China shortcut sets a tricky roadmap for its Western rivals. The $69 billion car maker plans to invest $700 million in XPeng to gain access to the Chinese upstart's technology, speeding up development of its own electric cars. Germany suffered the steepest decline in business activity for more than 3 years this month, according to a new survey, stoking fears that Europe's biggest economy is falling back into recession. Australia will not be making any decision on a central bank digital currency for some years due to several unresolved issues that surfaced at the end of the pilot project, the country's central bank announced.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US durable goods orders will be released at 12:30 GMT. Finland's producer price index at 0500 hours GMT. Japan's Tokyo CPI at 23:30 GMT. Japan's Tokyo Consumer Price Index will be released at 23:30 GMT. The French business climate in manufacturing at 06:45 GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 12:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.